just want to take a minute to run through the Cloud CMA, What's My Home Worth? Some of you are already using it, and I do need to show you an update that you need to take care of if you are using it. And then I figured if you're not using it, this is probably a good opportunity for you to learn a little bit more about it and see if you can incorporate it somewhere into your marketing. It's supposed to be able to help you with generating some new listing leads. So from your home screen here on Stellar, you're going to go over here where it says Stellar Central. Click on that, and it's going to take you to your main Stellar dashboard. And then you're going to click Products and Services on the left, and then scroll down to Cloud CMA. Click that. It'll open up a new screen. And this is where you're going to go into edit, but let me first show you what it looks like. If you see up in the top right corner, it shows my face. It might show your initials or something else, but you're going to want to click onto that, and then you go to lead generation and click on view landing page, and this is what you'd actually be sending to people. So you can use this like on a Facebook link, or we have some agents like Deanna Devine has a QR code on the restaurant tables that people can scan the QR code and it takes them to this. I've been adding it to some of your profiles on the Chamber website, but it's just a great little spot that someone can click What's My Home Worth, come in here, type in their address. It'll actually auto-populate, so it makes it a lot easier for them. They click on their address, they search it says great, we found it, even shows them where it's at. I don't think that's right. It was the wrong address I typed in. But anyways, so then they go ahead and type in their name, their address, and they could put in their phone number and square footage if they want, but just those two. And then it's going to send them a report. Well, the important part of this is that when it sends them the report, it's going to give them some information about you. And if you don't have that information updated appropriately, it looks kind of silly. So let's go ahead and look at how we update that. So one of the first things you'll do if this is your first time going in this, or you haven't been in a long time, is do your account settings. Make sure that your full name, your email, your company, all of that's in here appropriately. Your contact info, make sure it's got a cell phone number and your email address. And then it should automatically be connected to your MLS. And then there's these custom pages. Actually, that's where I'm going to want you to go, is the custom pages. So you've got this agent resume. Now, before you ever update it, it's going to say experience, and then it says like level 1 or something like that. It's just generic stuff that is in there. So I went ahead and I updated mine with some of my resumes information. So make sure it's got your appropriate broker affiliation, any experience you have, any education, any professional associations that you belong to, and then some personal information about you as well. Save that, and then go through each one of these to make sure. Here's a list of my happy customers. It would actually say this in their report if I don't update this. It's going to say, here's a list of my happy customers, customer 1, customer 2, customer 3. So not the greatest thing for them to see. And so what you could do is get rid of that part and then go and copy and paste a few of your reviews from Realtor.com or Zillow. I'm just going to save it like that so that they at least don't see that part. And then you've got a cover letter. Mine's just blank, so go ahead and write out something there. And then listing paper overview. It's a pretty generic thing, but it probably has some good details in here, but go ahead and read through it and update it as it's appropriate. Your marketing action plan, what you're going to do for them. So there's probably a lot that you could do to update that. And then anything about our company, which is blank here, and we could help you write that as well. So go ahead and get that all updated. Make sure that your profile and contact info is good. Get that saved, and then, like I said, when you go back over here to lead generation, this is the link that takes them to the What's Your Home Worth link, and you can start sharing that on Facebook and through other marketing. We can come up with some other ideas for you too. But it's just nice because it's branded to you. It goes straight to your email. It gives you their contact info so that you can reach out to them, and hopefully you can maybe get a new listing. So if you guys have any questions, give us a shout. Thanks.